Hello everyone, I am Revathi. I'm working as Assistant Professor in SNS College of Technology in Department of Artificial Intelligence and Data Science. Today we are going to discuss the topic about aggregate functions in MySQL. Aggregate functions are count, sum, average, minimum, maximum. Count function is used to return the number of rows. Sum function is used to return the total sum of numeric values. Average function is used to return the average of numeric values. Minimum function is used to return the smallest value. Maximum function is used to return the largest value. Here we are creating a table called employees in MySQL. Create table employees, employee ID in primary key, name varchar of 50, department varchar of 50, salary int. The table name is employee. It has four columns. Employee ID. This is of type int, meaning it stores the whole numbers. It is also defined as a primary key, which means each employee must have a unique ID and it cannot be null. This uniquely identifies each row in a table. Name. This column is a type varchar of 50. That means it can store up to 50 characters. This is used to store the employee name. Next one is department. This is also varchar of 50. It stores the name of the department where the employee works, such as HR, IT, finance. Fourth one is salary. This is type of int. It stores the employee's salary as a number. Now that we have created the employees table, the next step is add some sample data into it using insert into statement. In this query, we are inserting seven employees. Let's go row by row. The first employee is Alice, working in HR department with a salary of 45,000. The second employee is Bob, also in HR, earning 55,000. The third employee is Charlie from the IT department with a salary of 60,000. The fourth employee is David, also in IT, who earned the highest salary of 75,000. The fifth employee is Eva from the finance department. She earns 50,000. Then the sixth employee is Frank, also in finance, but with the lowest salary of 40,000. Finally, the seventh employee is Grace in the HR department with a salary of 47,000. The count function is an aggregate function that returns the total number of rows in a table or the number of non-null values in a column. Select count star as total employees from employees. Here, the count star means we are counting all rows in the employees table. The result is given the alias total employees, which make the output easier to read. When we run this query on our employees table, the output is total employees equal to 7. This, this means we currently have 7 employees. Next, look at the sum function in MySQL. The sum function is an aggregate function that adds up all the numeric values in a column and return the total value. The SQL query for sum function is select sum of salary from employees. This tells MySQL to add together all the values in the salary column of the employee table. The output is sum of salaries equal to 3,72,000. The average function is an aggregate function that calculates the average value of a numeric column. SQL query select average salary from employee. This tells MySQL to take all the values from the salary column and add them together and divide the by total by the number of rows. In our table, we got 3,72,000 some value, then divided by total number of employees or total number of records. So we got 53,142.85 value. Main function. The main function is an aggregate function that returns the smallest value from a column. SQL query, select minimum of salary from employees. This tells MySQL to search through the salary column and return the lowest salary. Here, the lowest salary, smallest value among these is 40,000. So the output of the query is 40,000. Next one is a maximum function. The maximum function is an aggregate function that returns the highest value from a column. SQL query, select max of salary from employees. This tells MySQL to look through the salary column and returns the highest salary value. So here maximum of salary is equal to 75,000. Now let's explore how the group by class works along with the aggregate functions. Uh, Here is the query, select department, average of salary from employees, group by department. In this query, we are asking MySQL to calculate the average salary for each department. Then, the group by department means that all the employees belonging to the same department are grouped together before applying this calculation. Then, the average of salary function is applied to each group separately. Looking our database in the HR department, we have Alice, Bob, and Grace. Their average salary is 49,000. They are in HR department. In the IT department, we have Charlie and David. Their average is 67,500. In the finance department, we have Eva 50,000 and Frank 40,000. Their average is 45,000. So the output of this query is HR 49,000, IT 67,500, finance 45,000. Thank you.